What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Gun Fanatics, where faster is better, recoil is the enemy, and ammo vanishes quicker than your weekend plans. Today, we're taking a no-holds-barred look at the 7 fastest-shooting handguns to hit the shelves this year. Trust me, blink once, and you'll miss a full mag dump. With competition shooting getting fiercer, red dots becoming the new norm, and recoil control technology evolving at breakneck speed, modern pistols are flatter shooting and quicker than ever before. Before we jump into the list, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let us know in the comments what you think is the fastest pistol you've ever sent rounds through. Strap in, because these handguns are about to blow the doors off everything else on the market. We're starting strong with a head-turner, the Springfield Armory Echelon. Chambered in 9mm, it offers either a 17-round or 20-round mag, depending on how wild you want your shooting session to get. Built with a full-sized frame, it features the central operating group, a modular system that lets you customize the grip to fit your hand perfectly, whether you've got bare paws or something more compact. What really puts the Echelon on this list is just how controllable it shoots. Thanks to its optimized grip angle, low-bore axis, and finely tuned recoil spring, this pistol keeps the muzzle dead steady. You can dump an entire magazine without feeling like you're trying to tame a wild bronco. Even better, it's optic-ready straight from the factory with Springfield's brilliant variable interface system, meaning most red dots can mount directly with no adapter plates needed. Add in a crisp trigger with a short, fast reset, and you've got a pistol that's begging you to shoot quicker. Durable, flexible, and blisteringly fast, the Echelon isn't just a new face, it's making a serious run at the top spot among polymer handguns. Blazing into the number 2 spot is a real curveball, the Tisas PX-5.7. Dropping early in 2024, this pistol caught the industry off guard, turning heads not just for its speed, but for its impressive performance at a wallet-friendly price. Chambered in 5.7, 28mm, it fires a round known for being blisteringly fast, incredibly flat, and razor accurate. With a standard 20-round magazine, you can hammer away at targets with barely a hint of recoil, and reloads few and far between. This caliber practically begs for rapid-fire action, and Tisas engineered the PX-57 to keep up. Built on a lightweight polymer frame and utilizing a delayed blowback system, it delivers soft shooting and stays impressively level during rapid strings. The trigger is crisp with a clean, predictable break, while the grip feels surprisingly natural, especially for a 5.7 platform, which can sometimes feel awkward. What really sets the PX-57 apart is that it offers almost everything you'd expect from an FN5.7, but at nearly half the cost. It's quick, steady, and shockingly budget-friendly. I've burned through drills with it and honestly forgot I wasn't holding a purpose-built competition pistol. If you've been itching to jump into the world of high-speed 5.7s without setting your wallet on fire, this pistol's your ticket. It's not flashy, it's not overhyped, it just delivers. Now, if raw speed mixed with serious horsepower is what you're after, let's talk about the FN510 Tactical. Rolling out in 2023, this 10mm powerhouse doesn't just move fast, it hits like a runaway train. And somehow, it manages to do so without turning your hands into mush. Here's the breakdown. You get a full-size polymer frame, a 4.71-inch threaded barrel, and your choice between a 15-round standard mag or an extended 22-rounder in 10mm. Yeah, you heard that right, 22 rounds of 10mm Thunder. Add FN's slick low-profile optic system, and suppressor height night sights into the mix, and you're looking at a tactical pistol that's mission-ready out of the box. What really blew me away was the recoil management. FN engineered this gun with a heavy-duty recoil spring and just the right amount of heft to tame the 10mm beast. The aggressive grip texture locks your hand in without shredding your skin, and ambidextrous controls make it a win for both righties and lefties. Sure, it's not the most compact option out there, but if you want serious firepower, you can still run fast and accurate. The FN 510 Tactical is hard to beat. It's the perfect blend of speed, precision, and brute strength. Grabbing the number 4 spot is the lightning-fast Walther PDP Match. Make no mistake, this pistol was engineered for speed demons. Dropping in late 2023, the PP Match builds on the already excellent PDP series, dialing everything up for maximum performance. Chambered in 9mm, it rocks a full-size frame paired with a 5-inch barrel, giving you an extended sight radius and a flat, ultra-controllable shooting experience. Standard mags hold 18 rounds, and the trigger, absolute chef's kiss. Walther equipped it with one of the slickest factory striker-fired triggers around: minimal take-up, crisp break, and a rapid reset that practically demands fast shooting. The ergonomics are just as refined. The performance duty texture locks into your hand with authority, keeping the pistol stable during high-speed drills. Toss in the optics, ready slide, and deep-cut serrations, and you've got a gun that's quick to draw, easy to track, and brutally efficient in competition. After running this on a steel course, I can tell you firsthand, the PDP Match almost feels like it speeds you up. The low recoil combined with the pistol's natural balance keeps your red dot glued to the target with minimal input. Sliding into 5th place with pure Italian flair is the Beretta 92XI Squalo. New for 2024, this isn't just a modern spin on a classic. It's a full-blown race gun disguised in familiar clothes. The Squalo, meaning shark in Italian, delivers a single-action, only 9mm setup, specifically tailored for speed junkies and competition shooters. It features the brand-new Extreme S trigger, hands down one of the best triggers to ever bless the 92 platform. It's short, snappy, and resets almost telepathically, making fast splits second nature. Other upgrades include a full-length dust cover with a pick rail, fiber optic front sight, adjustable rear sight, and an aggressive blackout race aesthetic with red highlights. What impressed me the most? The recoil management. Thanks to the full steel frame and SAO action, the Squalo shoots smoother than silk. It stays flat, locks into your hands, and slices through transitions like a tuned-up competition rig right out of the box. Snagging the 6th spot is a comeback story we didn't know we needed. The Daniel Defense H9. Yep, Daniel Defense took the DNA of the original Hudson H9, one of the most unique pistols in recent memory, and rebuilt it from the ground up for 2024. The reborn H9 keeps the striker-fired 9mm setup, but mixes it with the hand feel of a 1911, creating something seriously special. The secret sauce? An insanely low bore axis, practically level with your grip. Instead of flipping up, recoil just drives straight back into your hands, making rapid shots and target transitions feel almost effortless. You get a 15-round magazine, a flat-face trigger that's crisp with a short, snappy reset, and deep, aggressive slide serrations for easy manipulation. The aluminum frame adds just enough weight for control without feeling like a boat anchor. What really blows me away is how naturally it handles. Fire a few rounds, and it instantly clicks. You know you're shooting something fast and precise. Daniel Defense didn't just dust off the H9, they reimagined it and gave it real muscle. It's slick, It's fast, and it's got enough personality to stand apart from the sea of polymer lookalikes. The H9 is a pure blend of old-school style and next-gen speed. Wrapping up our list at number 7 is the Glock 49 MUS. Yeah, you heard me right, another Glock, but this one's doing its own thing. Unveiled at SHOT Show 2024, the Glock 49 is a brilliant mash-up that shouldn't work this well, but it absolutely does. And honestly, it shoots a lot faster than you'd expect for something so low-key. What Glock cooked up here is a Glock 19 size grip paired with a Glock 17 link slide. That combo matters a lot when speed is your goal. You get the benefit of a longer sight radius and better muzzle control thanks to the extended slide, while the smaller frame keeps the handling tight and responsive. It's Glock's way of fine-tuning their classic design for pure performance. Chambered in 9mm and fed by standard 15-round mags, the Glock 49 is also mouse-ready, meaning slapping on your favorite red dot is a breeze. And if you're running optics, the longer slide seriously helps with faster sight recovery between shots. As for the trigger, it's a Glock, simple, predictable, and ready for upgrades if you want to customize it. But even bone stock, this thing can run with the best of them. It's not flashy, not overhyped, but in the hands of someone who knows what they're doing, the Glock 49 flies. Smooth cycling, fast return to target, and recoil that's easy to manage make it one of the most practical and shootable Glocks yet. It might look like a Frankenstein build at first glance, but when the timer beeps, it moves like a racehorse, steady, fast, and brutally efficient. And that's a wrap. 7 of the fastest handguns tearing up the scene right now. Each one fresh, fierce, and designed for those who live life in the fast lane. Whether your taste leans towards sleek 5.7 speed machines, powerhouse 10mm tack drivers, or finely tuned polymer blasters, there's something here guaranteed to make your trigger finger happy. These aren't just cool range toys, they're a testament to how far handgun tech has come. Speed, control, and innovation packed into serious firepower. Now I want to hear from you, which one would you grab and why? Hit up the comments, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your buddy still arguing that 6 shots are enough. Stay sharp, stay dangerous, and as always, keep sending it.